Dieter, let us move from these paintings to your personal life. What are you basically? Since you are interested in design, are you a trained graduate in art?
No, I'm an architect. I studied architecture and I also worked as an architect. But in my long life, I have also experiences in printing and in graphic, but never had a school attended a school of design or something. Then I had experiences also in design of textiles. I met a team of weavers, in Kerala, and they made for me some handlooms. But this team must stop the production because in India handlooms are not so are very costly and cost a lot of time to make such things, and so they couldn't live from this production. So then I make illustrations for books, especially for poetry. My friends in Austria, my friend from Pakistan, he is a Urdu teacher and a poet, and my woman friend, he comes from Odisha, and they make poetry books, and I make the illustrations in it. So I had many experiences in graphic. So for me, it was not a problem to make graphics. This was my life. Yeah. Then I taught at a college, architectural college, especially design by computer, and so this was my life.
You retired and then you came to India because you are
Yes.
quite influenced by India. You are
I traveled for a long time with my wife, 25 years, through all of parts of India, but only in the time when I had holidays. This is a summertime, and summertime is very in some parts of India very much rain, so it was not so comfortable. So I always tried to find places where it was not so heavy rainfall, and then since 8 years, after my retiring, we settled. We rented a flat here in Benauli, and we live now in Benauli with some trips in other parts of India. So 5 till 6 months a year. And the other time we are in Vienna, my hometown.
Dieter, what is your process of painting? How or computer generated art? How do you go about that?
The process is very materialistic. It is only to, as I said many times, it is only to play with tools. This is very highly materialistic and have nothing to do with ideas. Ideas are coming because it is a play. And you know, when you have a play, you mustn't have ideas. The play gives you tools, and with these tools you can manage something. Something are coming out, and then you add colors, you add some graphics to this. In this situation, then you begin to work more creative. Yeah, this is like when you have a sheet of paper and have your pencils on the right side and begin begin something to drawing. And in this drawing and in this working with the computer, then your emotion and your aesthetic feeling comes to action, and then the process began, artistically process. But before, it is only play.
your architectural practices helped you in design, helped you in computer generated art in any way?
Yes, well, because when you study architecture, we have so many things to design. You have a other view, and from this view and the technique of design helps you a lot.
Because I'll just cut you here, because architecture is more of, no doubt it is two-dimensional in the initial stages, but
Yeah.
it's more three-dimensional, multi-dimensional,
yeah.
and
But
this is more two-dimensional.
But simply before the computer programs show you and you design architecture in 3 dimensions, before you have to draw, or you had to draw in the history only in the second dimension. And so the second dimension is the same like a screen. Yeah? But the third dimension comes later, only from the drawing process, because you cannot draw in third. This is another thing. Yeah? Yeah? So for the drawing and to draw in a screen or so, it is the second way. Yeah.
Can you explain to us in detail the different parts, the sections that you have done here? 4 parts, 4 different divisions that you've done.
These 4 parts. The part belongs to war games. The name is ironically, it's not a game. It's not really a game, yeah, for normal people. Maybe for military. Have some things, some designs in it. One design is Pandora's box, which shows not the Greek mythos of a box, yeah, who is to open and brings you all the things what you never expect, positive and negative. This shows, my design shows Kalashnikovs, when you this is the famous Kalashnikovs, and from this Kalashnikov shooting, yeah, comes ideologies, yeah, murderous ideologies out, yeah, yeah. It is not so easy to explain pictures, but maybe you can see it on the, yeah. And the second part, which shows scenes. Some of these pictures are the sun salutation, because sun is a very important thing for human beings. Everybody knows this, and have an emotional influence for human. The third part, with this industrial diligence, shows some bad projects which are coming from this diligence, and the fourth part, there were various designs for textiles. Yeah, and this is the show.
Are you planning to have another show? Produce
Maybe
more paintings?
I have many designs, and I could bring all my designs with my laptop. This is very easy. I can work in every place where a computer, maybe where power is there, and so I made daily 1 or 2 designs. So I have a big fundus of designs. Yeah, I can do it. Why not? Yeah, it is not a problem for me. Yeah.
हो दितराचो पॅन्डोरास बॉक्स एक वेगळ्या तरेचो पेंटींग, कारण हातूंत ताणें डिजायन फॉर्मान एक रियलिटी दाखोवपाचो यत्न केल्लो आसा. पंडोरास बॉक्स हातूंतल्यान आमी म्हणटात की कितें तरी नाविन्य भायर सरता आनी कितें तरी वेगळें आमकां मेळटा, एक जाय जाय तें आमकां मेळूं शकता. पूण हातूंत ताणें पेंडोरास बॉक्सांतल्यान 3 होल्स केल्यान तातूंतल्यान गन शॉट्स भायर सरता आनी आमकां आयडियोलॉजीज मेळटात. त्यो आयडियोलॉजीज डेंजरस आसता. जे आमचे विचार जे आसा ते गना पेक्षा चड पावरफूल आनी गना पेक्षा चड मारक ठरूं शकता असो दाखोवपाचो ताचो प्रयत्न आसा. हें बस्तार डान्स म्हणून, हे बस्तार डान्सान ताणें थंय टिपिकल मेळणारी जी आयन किंवा मुर्त्यो असतात त्यो ताणें दाखयल्ल्यो आसा. आनीक हांगा सकयल बारीक जर तुमी पळयलें जाल्यार हांगा फूट स्टेप्स हे रक्ताचे डाग अशे दाखयल्या. थंय नॅक्झलाइट्स आनी असले टायपचे इश्यूज ताणें दाखोवपाचो हो यत्न आसा. म्हणजे इतली हांगा ब्युटिफूल क्रिएटिविटी आसा, ब्युटिफूल आर्ट आसा. पूण ताज्या बरोबरूच गरिबी आनी बाकीचें सगळें आशिल्ल्या मुळे हें सगळें वाट लागूंक शकता आनी ते वेगळे वाटेन वचूंक शकता असो दाखोवपाचो यत्न. हें सिंपल डिझायन आसा. जर तुमी पळयलें जाल्यार तुमकां समजतलें. हाका विचार करपाचो कांयच ना. मायनींग ऑपरेशन आनी हे मायन्स दाखयल्या बेजिकली कर्नाटका रिजनांतले. आनीक हांगा सगळें पॉल्यूट जालां. हें मायनींग एक्चुली इंडस्ट्रियल हें आसा, चिमणी कशी आसा. दीस इज इंडस्ट्रियल चिमणी, पण तरी सुद्दां एक इंडस्ट्री, मायनींग आनी हाजो आमकां परिणाम आमचेर वायट जाता हो दाखोवपाचो ताणें प्रयत्न केला. हें टार्गेट हो ताजो टार्गेट सिरीज ही. हातूंत भितर 2 टार्गेट, 2 वेगळे वेगळे पेंटिंग्स. टार्गेटाचो म्हणजे गन शॉट टार्गेट आसता ताचो ताणें सिंपल डिझायन घेतला आनी तातूंतल्यान ताणें चित्र तयार केलां. म्हणजे सिंपल टार्गेट सुद्दां घेवन तो कसो ताजो डिझायन जावंक शकता. आनी टार्गेट करता आसतना खंयचोय क्रिमिनल किंवा खंयचोय मारेकरू ताजो सुद्दां एक डिझायन आसता. ताका कसो मारपाचो तो डिझायन ताणें हांगा दाखोवपाचो प्रयत्न केला. सो एक स्लायटली ह्युमरस वेन ताणें प्रयत्न केला दाखोवपाचो. थिएटर आलेश हाजी सोशियो पॉलिटिकल स्टेटमेंट्स अशी पेंटिंगां डिजिटल प्रिंट्स तुमी पळयली तुमकां नक्कीच आवडलें आसतलें. हातूंत दुबाव ना. आमची आयची कार्यावळ हांगाच सोंपता. तुमची जर कसल्योय कार्यावळ आसली तुमकां दिसता लोकां मुखार मांडूंक जाय जाल्यार आमकां ह्या पत्त्याचेर कळोवचें nagesh@prudentmedia.in. तर आमी परत मेळया फुडल्या बिरेस्तारा सांजवेच्या 7:30 वरांचेर. तो मेरेन पळयत रावात प्रुडंट मिडिया.